Morning Year 5 and welcome to day 1 of division. So this week we are going to recap on our long division method which we've been doing at school, and then we're going to look at a short division method and then how we might use those methods to solve problems. So to start off with then, I'm going to do 6,144 divided by 6, and you'll remember that we write it like this because 6 is our divisor, 6,144 is our dividend. I'm going to do it with concrete as well today to show you why we do what we do. So I've got 6,100, 4 tens and 4 ones. So I'm starting, unlike all the other operations with division, we start with the biggest number. So we're going to start with the thousands and you'll see why. Okay, so we've got 6 thousands and we need to split them into 6 equal groups. Well, we can do that nice and easily already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. So we've shared them all out equally into 6 groups, and there's 1 in each group. That's the thousands done. Now we're going to move on to the hundreds. So I'm going to bring this 100 down, and now I've got 100, and I need to split this hundreds counter into 6 equal groups. Now I can't do that at the moment. I can't do it. So I'm going to exchange it. That's my hundreds finished with, for 10 tens. So I'm going to get my 10 tens. And I now have 14 tens. Like this. This is my tens. So I've got 14 tens. I'm just going to split them into 6 equal groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I've just got 2 left, which I'll put there for now. So I've got 14 tens. I've shared 12 of them into 6 equal groups, and there are 2 in each group. And I've got 2 left, which I'm going to bring down because I'm going to exchange them into ones. And I've got 2 tens here, so I need 20 ones. So 10, 20 ones, and I had 4 ones already, so I mustn't forget to put those in. And then I've got my 24 ones, which I'm going to split into 6 equal groups. And some of you will have already worked that out in your head, how many are in each group. Of course, if you know your tables, this is always going to be much, much easier. And there we go, 4, 5, 6. So I've shared them all out, I haven't got any left, so there's no remainder. So 24 of them have been shared out. There are 4 in each group, and that's where I stop. So I've got 1,024 in each group. So my answer, the quotient, is 1,024. Okay, so that's example 1. I'm going to show you another example now, and this time we will do one with a remainder. So let's go for 2,634 divided by 4. Okay, so first of all, we build our number, 2,000s, 600s, 6, 3 tens, and 4 ones. So there's our number. And then we have to split it into 4 equal groups because our divisor is 4. So we're going to start with our thousands. Okay, I've only got 2 thousands here. I cannot split those 2 thousands into 4 equal groups, so I'm going to exchange them for hundreds. I can't do it. That's my thousands. I'm going to exchange them for hundreds. And it's 2,000, so it's 20 hundreds, and I've got 6 hundreds already there. So I will end up with 26 hundreds. And I'm going to split those into 4 equal groups. Now, I'm just going to start showing you how it just looks as abstract now, because I'm not going to physically do that. I'm going to say I've got 26 hundreds. I know my 4 times table, and I know that 24 is the closest multiple of 4. So 24 of those hundreds will go into 4 equal groups, leaving 2 behind. And there will be 4 in each group. 6 in each group, because 4 times 6 is 24. And I've got 2 left. That's my hundreds done. The 200s I have left, I'm going to exchange for 20 tens. That's 10, 10. So I now have 23 3 10s because I had 3 there already. And again, I know my 4 times table. I know that 20 is the closest multiple of 4. So I can share 20 of them out into 4 equal groups. And that will be 5 in each group. That's my 10s. And I've got 3 10s left, which I will exchange for 30 ones and the 4 ones I already had there. So I've got 34 ones. You can see now how I'm going away from the concrete into the abstract. The closest multiple of 4 is 32, which is 8 groups of 4, and I've got 2 left. So that is my remainder. So the answer is 658, remainder 2. For now, you can keep your answers as a remainder. If you want to have a go at putting your answer as a decimal, you can, but a remainder for now is fine. So 2,634 divided by 4 is 658, remainder 2. Okay, so a few for you to have a look at then. Here's your task for today, and then I will be back tomorrow with your answers.